Founded in 2014, Yuxian Sunshine Tent Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and exporter that is concerned with the design, development, and production of grow tent, grow bag, and other texture products. We are located in Jiangshan, Zhejiang Province, with convenient transportation access to Ningbo and Shanghai Port. All of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. As a professional manufacturer and exporter, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection. Our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enables us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. As a result of our high-quality products with competitive prices and outstanding customer service, we have gained a global sales network reaching Canada, the USA, Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Australia, Germany, the UK, Belgium, Netherlands, Iceland. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.